I believe is we're in the morning of the 25th of June 2023. I'm here with TJ at Ronald Reagan National Airport in DC. TJ, give me your full name.
My name is Bayle.
And where are you from, Tajeba?
I'm from Ethiopia.
Okay, and tell us a little bit about your background.
I've been working, I can say that throughout my life I was working for Ethiopian Airlines as an aircraft technician, starting from a junior aircraft technician all the way to inspector position. And I was working in the Aviation Academy as well. I was teaching system classes. And I do have a chance to introduce new systems to Ethiopian Airlines like Boeing 787, Dreamliner aircraft, MD-11 aircrafts, the 3-engine, Bombardier Q400 aircraft, 737 aircrafts, 57 aircrafts, whatnot, and including this the light aircrafts as well. So
amazing. So how many years are we talking about in
I've
total?
been working with Ethiopian Airlines for about 15 years.
15 years. So you attended the Ethiopian Airlines Maintenance Academy?
Yes. In 2000, I joined the Ethiopian Airlines Aviation Academy, and I graduated in 2002. And since 2002, I was serving Ethiopian Airlines.
Outstanding. And what are some of the aircraft that you worked on?
I can start from the light aircraft, light body aircrafts like Bombardier Q400 with turboprop engine.
Yes.
737 aircrafts, all version of 737 aircraft, starting from a Jurassic, new generation aircrafts like 700, 800, and 900 versions. 757 aircrafts, Boeing 757, 767 aircrafts, 777 aircrafts, and MD-11 and 787 Dreamliner aircrafts.
Amazing. And your job as an aviation technician, maintenance technician, would be to maintain those aircraft?
Yes, sir. To maintain those aircrafts, I start as a junior aircraft technician, and I progress all the way to lead aircraft technician, aircraft inspector, and aircraft system training instructor. Like before I came here to the US, I was a chief aviation training instructor.
Outstanding, outstanding. Now I want you to turn around slowly because I want to take a picture of what's on the back of your work vest. Right, your work safety vest.
Yeah.
I see here Avdyne aircraft maintenance. Tell me a little bit about the Avdyne story and how you got to be part of Avdyne.
It's just like a click. I can say that once I came to the US, I was everywhere doing contract jobs. I was in Alabama, North Carolina, and all of a sudden I heard about the Avdyne airline, and there are a group of guys working together, and I heard about the environment, not only what they're doing, but the environment. I was looking for that. Because
tell me the environment. What was the environment that you heard about?
When I left the country, I don't have a lot of reasons to leave my country. When I left the country, the only thing that I was looking for is the possessiveness. When I work, I need a professional freedom. That is one thing that I was looking for. I need the environment that I can feel that is home for me. So
you're part of a family.
Yes.
An aviation family.
That's what I'm looking for, because throughout my life, this is my job, this is my career. So I don't want to do some other jobs. I want to stay here, but in the meantime, I want to feel home. So that's what I was looking for.
And did the leadership of this gentleman over here, Captain Abi Makonnen, did he provide that? Tell me what environment, his leadership.
Yeah.
Abi, you're going to come over here.
Yes. Let him finish for you. Let him
Tell me the environment that he created.
It's just like...
First of all, tell me who Abi Makonnen, Captain Abi Makonnen is.
Captain Abi Makonnen was a former Ethiopian employee. He was a captain. He served Ethiopian Airlines as well, like what I did. He was working for Ethiopian Airlines. But right now,
Does he have a
When-
story about his family in Ethiopian Airlines?
Yes, sir. Starting from his father, or I can say that they
Is his father well known?
Yeah, his father is a well-known.
What was his
one
father's
of the
name?
Pioneers, captains.
What was his father's
Captain
name?
Makun.
Captain Makun, yes.
sir.
So he was one of the pioneers in
He
Ethiopia.
is one of the pioneers in Ethiopia, and his career, like a captain or flying the aircraft, is just their family business. So everybody knows.
So when you came and you met him as the chief commercial officer of Avdyne, what did that mean to you, to see him in that position?
To be honest, I didn't need to meet him to have that feeling. But as soon as I heard his voice, as soon as we start communicating over the telephone, I feel that connection.
Yes.
So whenever I met him in person, that's what I got. As soon as I checked, I was trying, Captain Avi, I think he'd better talk about it, because when I saw him, I was just going to shake his hand, but he offers me a hug. That was a good approach, and it really filled my heart. Right.
And how many Ethiopian Airline graduates or graduates of the Ethiopian Airline system do we have here at Avdyne now?
A technician?
Yes.
Oh, there are more than 80 technicians right now. We are gathering right here. This is our second home.
Yes, indeed.
So-
Yes, indeed. And would you say, Brother TJ, that there's no other company in the world right now like Avdyne?
There is no other company like Avdyne in the world. I can say that. Because this is my company.
Yes, yes.
This is my company. This is not Captain Avi's company. This is my company.
Yes, indeed.
So that's what I'm feeling right now.
Yes, yes.
I'm feeling home.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
right. And you're here so that those who will listen to this at the Ronald Reagan National Airport in Washington, D.C.,
Yes, sir.
working on American Airlines aircraft. And how is that going?
It's going fantastic. From the very beginning, you can feel the vibe, you can feel the energy,
Yes.
and whenever I come to work, whether there are 5 aircraft broken or 10 aircraft broken, I don't care. I'm coming here to have a good time.
Yes.
I have friends who I'm 100% confident on. So we do have our professional competency. We do have everything what it takes
Yes.
to lift Avdyne to the highest level.
And that is based on the fact that way back in 1957, in fact, before that, way back in 1945, Emperor Selassie created Ethiopian Airlines with Trans World Airlines. But before that, in 1929 and 1930, Ethiopia was the first country in Africa to assemble and build 2 aircraft. Are you aware of that history?
Yes, yes.
And so Ethiopia has been a pioneer before many other countries in the world. Ethiopia built 2 aircraft in the early days of aviation, so that Ethiopia has a very strong aviation science culture. Am I correct?
I'm always proud to serve Ethiopian Airlines.
Yes,
I'm always proud because they do have a best professional discipline. They do have a very excellent safety records.
Yes.
So the way we get trained from Ethiopian Airlines is the only reason that we are here right now.
That's right.
But this Avdyne, unlike other companies, it creates the environment for us to work together.
Yes, indeed.
So that is the excellent opportunity, especially for all professionals like me.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Captain Abi, I know that the night is long. I would like you to, before I wrap up, say a few words. But before I conclude with Captain Abi, can you just say a few words of encouragement to those who will follow you, TJ?
Right now, I'm working as supervisor aircraft maintenance. We are working together.
And what kind of aircraft are you working on?
We are working on CRJ 700-700 and CRJ-900 aircraft right
Are
now.
those by Bombardier?
Yes, they're made by them.
And those are American Airlines
So
aircraft.
those are American Airlines aircraft. That is the beginning of our journey.
Yes.
So we are dreaming big, and we will fulfill it for sure.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna, Captain Abi, I'm gonna be wrapping up right now, so just say good evening to everybody.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
And you heard what your brother said about you, TJ said,
That's the best that we got.
indeed.
Sir. That
And we
is
want to
the
thank
land.
you, Captain Abi, for helping to create our culture.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.